Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you very much for your time for this
You're
reception.
welcome.
Thank you.
Please.
Dankeschön. Thank you for your time. Many people wanted to accompany us to meet you, but two federal ministers. Maybe starting here. This is a replica from Maria Zell, the Basilica of Maria Zell, I believe, when a monk, Mary, and the stone burst. So since then, it's Maria Zell. Once you go there,
We would
I
happy
think-
to welcome you there in
I
Rio
think-
Zell.
yes. I think John Paul and Benedict have been to if she's clothed
Dressed in a
differently,
glass, yes.
because she's dressed every year with
It's
great
changed.
care
Yes.
again.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is from the Spanish Hofreitschule, you know, the
Ah.
Lipizzaner
Yeah,
original
okay.
bringer of luck.
Yes.
We say that too, yes.
And
Yes.
here we spent a small sum of money for the Virgen del Carmen in Peru. Chic.
Yes.
Our ambassador was already there and gave them.
Part was they've obviously done some remodeling and building it up. And it happens to be a chapel. One of the Augustinians, he was vicar general when I was bishop there.
Uh-huh.
Important.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we present to you, first of all, this ceramic representation of David,
Okay, ja.
message of peace for this year.
Sehr schön, danke.
In Deutsch.
Thank
Ja,
you.
danke schön.
Ah,
The different works of art and the architecture
perfect.
contained within here.
Thank you
To
very
bring
much.
you through.
Ja, danke schön.
Remember your visit.
Danke.
Okay. Right, so.
All the best for you.
Pleasure.
Danke vielmals, danke.
Bitte.
All the best.
Thank you very much.